This Civic Sport Touring came in when the owner noticed the vehicle starting to run rough. Our tech started by scanning the vehicle and found codes to a misfire in cylinder 4. I know, another misfire BU, but unlike our last video with the GT Mustang, this vehicle allows us to monitor live data. We started by swapping the ignition coil from cylinder 4 with the misfire to cylinder 3. We turned on the vehicle and monitored the data. Here you can see the misfire count on cylinders 3 starting to climb in real time. Just to be sure, we then swapped the ignition coil causing the misfire now on cylinder 3 over to cylinder 1. When it comes to ignition coils, it's always best to try to source OEM instead of third-party options. We turned the vehicle on and monitored the live data. Here you can see the misfire count on cylinder 1 starting to decline. All that's left is to quote our customer for a new ignition coil, and the Civic will be back on the roads in no time.